I gave the Temu FREE Gift 24 hours, not 5 minutes, not one quick screenshot, a full day, and I wanted to see one thing. Is the free gift actually worth the time, or does the excitement disappear after you start? So here's exactly how my test went. Hour 0, I started with the coupon. Before I touched the free gift section, I activated the coupon code on the screen. That was important, because if I'm testing a promotion that may involve a qualifying purchase, I'm not going to ignore the discount that's available to me. Coupon first, then I started the free gift test. Hour 1, the excitement. At first, everything looked promising. I had different gifts to choose from, reward progress, and several promotional offers appearing throughout the app. This was the fun part, but I knew better than to judge the entire experience after 1 hour. Hour 6, reality check. This is where things got more interesting. Not every reward was equally valuable. Some offers looked tempting, but once I looked at what was actually required, they weren't necessarily worth chasing. So I stopped picking things just because they had the word free next to them. I started asking, would I actually want this if it wasn't free? That completely changed how I approached the promotion. Hour 12, I checked the coupon. Again, by this point, I had a much better idea of what my account was offering, and this is where the coupon became even more useful. I checked the available coupon bundle again and compared the savings against what I would actually be spending. If I was going to complete a qualifying purchase anyway, there was no reason to leave the discount unused. Hour 18, the biggest lesson. This was probably the most important part of the entire test. The free gift isn't necessarily about getting the biggest looking gift. It's about getting the best overall value. If you're buying random products you don't need just to unlock something labelled free, you're missing the point. Hour 24, my final results. After 24 hours, here's my honest conclusion. Did I get an unlimited pile of expensive stuff for absolutely nothing? No. Did I think the promotion was completely fake? Also, no. What I actually found was a promotion that can be worthwhile if the gifts, requirements, and final purchase make sense for you. And starting with the coupon made the experience much more attractive because it helped reduce the cost of the qualifying purchase. The biggest mistake would be watching this and immediately trying to copy my exact screen. Your account may show different gifts, different requirements, different promotions. That's normal. So if you're trying the Temu FREE Gift yourself, don't spend 24 hours blindly clicking everything like I did. Start with the coupon on the screen. Check what your account actually offers. Pick rewards you genuinely want, and before completing anything, look at the final cost. That's how you turn the promotion from free stuff into an actual value decision. My 24-hour verdict worth checking? Yes. Completely free with 0 conditions? No. Worth using the coupon? Absolutely. Would I try it again? If the offer on my account makes sense? Yes. And honestly, that was the biggest surprise from my 24-hour test. The best result wasn't getting something simply because it said free. It was learning how to make the entire deal work in my favor. Before you start your own 24-hour test, activate the coupon on the screen first. Then check what free gift offers your account actually gives you.